Question number 5. This is another prism because it has no point on top. Surface area equals lateral area plus 2 bases. Lateral area equals perimeter times height. Perimeter of this figure, the perimeter of the base, going to be the circumference of this circle. Its radius is 2 feet. So it's 2 pi r. The radius is 2 feet. 2 pi times 2. The height of this figure is 8.5 feet. That's 106.8 feet squared. Surface area will be our lateral area plus 2 bases. Oops. Plus 2 bases. Each base is the area of a circle whose radius is 3 inches. So that's pi r squared with 3 for r. Pi r squared. It's 106 plus 2 times pi r squared. That's 163.4. Our volume, the area of our base times our height. Area of our base, area of the base is the area of a circle whose radius is 3. Pi r squared times our height. Whoops. You guys switched to number 3 instead of number 5. Well, that was wrong. That was fine up here. I got down here. Yep, I used that one instead of this one. That should have been, that base should have had a 2-foot radius. That was supposed to be a 2-foot radius. Surface area equals area of the base, or lateral area plus 2 of those bases. Let's try that again. That was supposed to be a 2 there. Oops, I had the answer still there. Darn it. 106.8 plus 2 bases, which is at pi times 2 squared each. 131.9. My fault. There we go. Now, same here. Volume equals base times height. That base radius is not 3. It's 2. 2 squared, and our height is 8.5. So it's pi times 2 squared times 8.5. 106.814. P cubed. Now, this is the same answer as we got here, because 2 pi r squared, are the same thing when 2 and r are the same, and r squared. But this is just a coincidence, and one is flat, and one is in cubes. So that makes all the difference. Number 6. Number 6 is a pyramid, because it has a point on top. So our surface area a lateral area plus one base, because pyramids only have one base. Lateral area equals 1/2 perimeter times our slant height. That's 1/2 our perimeter. Perimeter of the base of this pyramid is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, which is 40. And our slant height, this one, looks like there's a 10 there, but it's actually the 13 with the little arrow. 13. That's the regular height, that's our slant height. 1/2 times 40 times 13. Put it in the calculator, you get 260 square meters. Our surface area, there's a lateral area. Plus our base. Now our base is a square whose sides are 10 by 10. 10 times 10 is 100. That's 360 square meters. Our volume is 1/3 area of our base times our height. Area of our base is a square, 10 by 10, which is 100. And our height, the regular height of 12. That's 400 cubic meters when you put it in the calculator. Number 7 is a cone, which is a type of pyramid. We know it's a pyramid, not a prism, because it has a point on top. The surface area is lateral area plus a base. Lateral area is 1/2 times perimeter times slant height. Our perimeter is all the way around here. That's going to be the circumference of a circle whose radius is 3. So 2 pi r, where r is 3. 2 pi r. Then times our slant height. Our slant height is 5. Put that in the calculator. .5 times 2 times pi times 3 times 5. 47.12. Now our surface area equals our lateral area plus a base. The area of our base is the area of a circle whose radius is 3. That's pi r squared, where r is 3. Pi r squared. .4. Oops, we're in inches. So that's square inches for surface area and lateral area. Volume is 1/3 area of the base times the height. That's 1/3 area of the base. It's the area of a circle whose radius is 3. That's pi r squared, where r is 3. One-third the base times the height. The height is our good old regular height, 4. So that's 1/3 times pi times 3 squared times 4. 37.7 inches cubed. Number 8, pretty much same problem as 7, except for we don't have this number here. But you notice this radius and this height come perpendicular to one another. So that means that we have Pythagorean theorem on a right triangle, where 6 squared plus 8 squared